Welcome to Yaya. Today I'll be looking at Bitcoin price break milestones. We're living in an awesome time in the crypto space. There are record-breaking milestones happening at dizzying speed. Sometimes it's hard to keep up with Bitcoin as it breaks its own records. So do not worry, I'll be tracking the Bitcoin historical rally since December 2020. I'll focus on the price break milestones up until now and give insight on what made the rally skyrocket, stall, or dip. The world's most valuable virtual currency, Bitcoin, breached the $20,000 level for the first time on 16th December 2020. What was different about this rally was that it was being driven by institutional buy-in rather than retail speculation of 2017. Institutional investment comes to crypto. Institutional investors had seen Bitcoin as potent insurance policy against the continuing devaluation of the world's major currencies. Hedge fund investors began to purchase Bitcoin. Big name American investors like Paul Tudor Jones and Stanley Druckenmiller announced they had invested in the cryptocurrency, while tech firms such as Square and MicroStrategy used their own balance sheets to buy Bitcoin. This domino effect continues up until now. By the beginning of 2021, by the 2nd of January, the Bitcoin bulls were on a stampede. Bitcoin surpassed the $20 level of December 2020 and hit 30,000. The popular cryptocurrency was now trading as high as 33,099 on the 2nd of January 2021. Another thing that took place during the 30K rally is that Bitcoin had hit another milestone. This time it's against God billion, the world's oldest reserve asset. According to Cointelegraph, Bitcoin's biggest proponents believed the digital currency was eating away at gold's market cap as investors opt for the efficiency, portability, and proven scarcity of the asset. Astonishingly, that view was also shared by JP Morgan Chase analysts who believed Bitcoin's digital gold narrative is drawing capital away from precious metals. On the 6th of February, Bitcoin broke through the 40K resistance area. The $38,000 and $40,000 levels were the biggest hurdles for Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally broke out of the 38,000 level, establishing it as a support level. Capital rotation ongoing from Bitcoin to decentralized finance and other altcoins were one of the major factors for the slowdown. The market had become full risk on as DeFi-related tokens rallied by 30% to 100% on a single day. Bitcoin's price broke above $50,000 for the first time in history, continuing its blistering rally as major companies appeared to be warming up to cryptocurrencies. Bullish maneuvers from MicroStrategy, Goldman Sachs, and Citigroup are just a few of the factors that backed Bitcoin's rally back to $50,000. MicroStrategy had purchased another $15 million worth of Bitcoin, bringing its total holdings to 90,859 Bitcoin and further demonstrating the institutional demand for the top currency, and the currency continued to grow. Further boost came from news of large firms like Tesla and MasterCard showing support for crypto. Tesla revealed it had bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and planned to accept the digital coin as payment for its products. As the price of Bitcoin reached 54,000 on the 19th of February, the price of Bitcoin surpassed or crossed another major milestone. The cryptocurrency's market value surpassed $1 trillion, according to CoinGecko. There were now 18.6 million Bitcoin in circulation, giving the digital currency a market cap of over $1 trillion. Bitcoin hit $60,000 for the first time on March 13 as the long-awaited continuation of the Bitcoin bull run got underway. Bitcoin pared some gains, dipping below 60,000 on March 14, a day after setting a whole-time high of $61,950 on Binance. Factors that contributed to the weakening momentum of Bitcoin were high funding rates and stablecoin inflows, primarily driving the market upward. According to Cointelegraph, when the price of Bitcoin began to drop, the futures market funding rate of Bitcoin was hovering above 0.1% across major exchanges. This indicated that the overwhelming majority of the market was longing for or buying Bitcoin, making it an overcrowded trade. The 60K bull run was not US institution driven, it all came from stable coins. So what are the Bitcoin price predictions? Short term, there's confidence for a $72,000 price. Bitcoin will reach 100,000 by the end of 2021, $200,000 to 300,000 by the end of December 2021 to March 2022.